Where's the sunglasses? Gotta get the whole thing going.
Oh, no.
You know what I mean? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am KR15, and if you're like me, after you come home from work, you like to get really fucked up, or as I like to call it, into a coma, so I can go to bed because my child won't stop screaming. So this is how we do it. Mad Dog 2020, bling bling blue and electric melody. Let's do it. And teach you how to do it. So it's just gonna be a half here. Chalk it with some ice. Add just a little vodka to it. A little Cabernet float over it. We call this the garbage can. A little four-man sangria. Maybe just a little bit more blue. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah, that's what I'm talking about, dude. Alright, now. Just like my wife does with my heart, hit frappe. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh. Please enjoy responsibly. Dude, let's fucking try it. Not bad. Let's get you a glass, huh? Yo, Jesse, you doing one of these?
Yeah.
You almost asked me, bro.
I love the no hesitation and that too. Yep.
There you go, Crystal. Straws are actually right over there. Well, Lisa, what about you? A little bit left. All right, she said yeah, dude. You heard it. All right. You guys, man.